Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our 86 Pontiac Trans Am. One family owned out of the Huron, South Dakota area. Pretty nice car. Got a good shine to it. A few little scratches in the hood you can maybe see there, but outside they're pretty unnoticeable. Had to repaint it one time. It's one family owned car, but they must have had to repaint it at one time. Pretty nice job. T-tops. Look in the picture, you can see all the options. Cruise tilt, obviously. Interior's nice shape, no issues. Dash is all good. But got good, you can see my reflection, so pretty good shine. So for 60,000 mile car, and for a car for this kind of money, pretty nice shape, no rust on it. Been stored for the last few years. The guy I got it from, some health issues, so I don't think it's been drove the last couple 3 years much, but still pretty nice car. So any questions on a good looking Trans Am, give me a call, 605-695-7391.